Hello everyone, my name is Huy Kieu. I'm currently a junior studying computer science at the College of Worcester. Today I'm going to present my Apex Fellowship experience in this summer. First of all, I'm going to introduce a little bit about the company where I work at. It is FPT Software. It is a subsidiary of FPT Corporation, a multinational technology enterprise. Founded in 1999, it is one of the biggest technology companies in Vietnam, with generated revenue of more than $370 million and a workforce of about 16,000 employees. FPT Software Services includes analytics, IoT, mobility, cloud, embedded system, Q&A testing, legacy migration, package implementation, application services, and BPO. It has more than 27 offices in 16 countries. Most of its employees are based in Vietnam, accounting for more than 80% of the workforce. Its major markets are Japan, United States, Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, France, and South Korea. FPT offers management solutions and services in mobile devices, cell phones, merchandising, and trade promotion. They achieve a lot of national and international awards and prizes as a tech firm. Their vision is to be a company guided by technological innovations, committed to the highest level of customer satisfaction, contributing to national prosperity, and providing its employees with the most favorable working environment possible, thus enabling them to reach their full potential in their professional careers as well as their morale. At first, I didn't plan to work at FPT Software in this summer because I have applied for Emory. However, due to the pandemic, it was cancelled, and I was really sad to hear that because it is one of the most interesting summer research program hosted by the College of Worcester. Then I changed my plan immediately. I started applying for an internship back in my home country. I had several interviews and then ended up with FPT since it was the best match with my background and experience. And since the corporation has numerous employees, they were divided to small business units that focus on different areas in technology. My business unit is called DTI, which stands for Digital Transformation and Innovation. There are about 100 people working at DTI, and they concentrate on development in vehicle industry. It can be called IOV, which stands for Internet of Vehicle, a subsidiary of Internet of Things, IoT. From the beginning, I was assigned to a development team who was building a web-based system that managed the black box of vehicle in real time. The black box stored data such as how fast the car was going, the possible throttle, brake application, airbag deployment, seatbelt use time, and steering angles. All these statistics will be displayed and analyzed for the managers who are working at automobile factories. I spent the first month to study technology stack the team used to build the application and also learn their workflow. My team has a project manager, a tester, a technical lead, and a scrum master. The rest are all developers. As a software development engineer intern, I coded most of the time to enhance different features of the system. And because we are following the agile methodology, we have stand-up meetings to update each other's status every day in order to make sure that we are on the same page. Agile is a project management process that is usually used in software development. where demands and solutions evolve effectively through the collaborative efforts of self-organizing and cross-functional teams and the customers. I also joined many different workshops, which was really interesting. It was related to the technical improvement of the members in the team. Their topics are about cloud computing, microservice operations, and cybersecurity, etc. Thus, my technical skill has been improved a lot thanks to the mentors and every single team members during the internship. They helped me a lot in improving my skill. Particularly, I can now understand how a software works from back end to front end and some sorts of protocol computer used to transfer data to each other, such as CTP, TCP, UDP, and HTTP. More importantly, my communication skill was developed too. I had opportunities to talk with our clients to get their requirements and their expected outputs to define what exactly my team has to do within a given time. I still remember an interesting moment that I was working at FPT. It was during the lunch break of a normal day. I was hearing people say about iCloud, cloud computing, or Google Cloud, and I was wondering, why cloud? And why not something else like sun or moon or even star? Then I asked a senior about that, and I was totally surprised by his answer. It turned out that cloud means everywhere, because wherever we are, we can see cloud. That's why we can access to the internet to retrieve data from anywhere on earth. It's so fascinating, isn't it? After the internship, I found that software engineering is so amazing, and I'm going to pursue this profession for my long time career path. What I did at FPT was completely aligned with everything I learned at the College of Worcester. I say that the lesson I studied from Worcester and the experience I gained from the internship are two important complements that reinforce my skills and knowledge in computer science. And finally, I would like to share just my own opinion with those who are also interested in computer science and want to apply for the similar position, which is software engineer intern. First, you must have a great passion with coding as well as researching to learn new things, since the tech world is changing every second. From my perspective, self-learning is the best practice to develop your both personal and professional skills. And in computer science, there are still many fields other than software engineer that you can follow, such as data engineer, solution architect, and quality controller. So you should clearly define your career path soon and set some goals to achieve. Most important is coding, of course. It's all about coding. So you should be proficient at least one programming language before applying for an internship. After studying the languages, you see that data structures and algorithms are also really vital to learn too. And last but not least, it would be attractive if you have some personal projects to show what you have done, and it definitely gives you a better chance to get great internship. And thank you so much for hearing my presentation, and this is the end of my presentation. Have a good day. Thank you.